Welcome to our channel. If you need to view your PNC Bank account statement to monitor transactions and account activity, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the PNC mobile banking app on your smartphone or visit the PNC Bank website using your web browser. Step 2. Log in to your PNC account using your user ID and password. Step 3. From the account dashboard, select the account for which you want to view the statement. Step 4. Navigate to Statements and Documents by clicking on the account and selecting this option from the menu. Step 5. Select the statement period you want to review from the list of available statements. Step 6. Click on the statement to open it as a PDF file in your browser or app. Step 7. Review your statement details, including all transactions, deposits, withdrawals, beginning and ending balances, and any fees. Step 8. Download or print the statement for your records, or sign up for paperless statements to receive email notifications when new statements are available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.